It's all Grok4 these days. So here is a demonstration of how we can build the simplest Grok4 sophisticated agent. The code is from Agno cookbook itself. Here is the code that we will execute. This agent has just few lines. Only the prompt is big. We have the liberty to build more sophisticated prompts to an agent, because the agent will also retry to ensure that it will respond back to us after it validates the quality of the response. Hi, welcome to Techie Talks AI. I'm Sri from Shogini. On this channel, we showcase hands-on demos and insights into AI automation and no-code tools. We have created several Make.com modules to simplify no-code automation for you. Subscribe and join us on this journey into the future of technology. We have the finance agent defined here. We will use Grok4 instead of Grok3. And we are providing it a Yahoo Finance tool, so that it's able to get the stock market information, including company details, etc. Those are the two parameters that it needs. Rest is the prompt. You are a seasoned Wall Street analyst, and when we build our own prompts, we can refer to these and learn from them. Okay. We conclude the prompt by saying risk disclosure. Always highlight potential risk factors and note market uncertainties and mention relevant regulatory concerns. Here we have a parameter, add date time to instructions, true. The prompt that we are giving this agent is write a comprehensive report on Tesla. TSLA is its ticker. I have already executed and we will see the output. This is the prompt that we are giving. This is the only input that we are giving this agent. Write a comprehensive report on Tesla. So the agent already has our sophisticated prompt. It has access to Yahoo Finance tools. Now what agent will do is it will utilize the Yahoo Finance tools and get all these informations. Get the current stock price, company info, get the fundamentals, analyst recommendations, company news, top 3 company news, and get historical stock prices. So this is a beautiful set of tool calls which will come really handy, which will save so much time when you want to analyze the market. Here we have the output. Comprehensive financial analysis. Executive summary, market overview, 52-week high, key insights. So in minutes, we have a wonderful report ready. And this can offer several valuable use cases when you want to build your own agentic SaaS application, just by adding few lines of Python code. Thanks for watching. Please like, share and subscribe. Your support really helps. Have ideas or suggestions? Drop them in the comments. Let's build together. At Shogini, we offer expert no-code Make.com and Python AI automation consulting with ready-to-use modules to jumpstart your projects. Stay tuned and subscribe for more.